Hi everyone, welcome back to CS Unlock. Today we will write a Python program to check whether a given number is a palindrome or not. What is palindrome? Basically, it is a number that remains the same when its digits are reversed. It reads the same forwards and backwards. To check if a number is a palindrome, usually we compare it with its reverse. Got it? If they are equal, the number is a palindrome. Numbers like 121, 414, 888 are all palindrome numbers as they read the same forwards and backwards. Here we will check for palindrome using while loop. Okay, let's start. N equal to int input int number. Perfect. Let's take temp equal to n, reverse equal to 0, while n is greater than 0, then digit equal to n modulus 10, and reverse will be reverse multiply by 10 plus this digit. Okay, n, remove the last digit, n remainder by 10. Okay, now let's see if temp equal to reverse, then it will print the number is a palindrome. Perfect. Else it will print the number isn't a palindrome. Okay, let's see the output. Perfect. Let me print 1 to 1. Oh, great, the number is a palindrome. Let's see 4 to 2. The number isn't a palindrome. Let me write 888. The number is palindrome. Perfect. So you are done with palindrome program in Python. Thank you.